Now 2:10 a.m.
2:11 a.m. Alam mo ba sa Korea, mas mahal yung ano nila, local brands, kesa sa ano.
Talaga ba?
Mm-mm. Tapos yung mga local brands nila, sila ano, yung mga sila Lee Min-ho, yung nag-ambassador. Sobrang mahal. Bumili ako ng necktie dun, naka-ano ako, 10,000 pesos ata yun.
Necktie lang?
Oo, kasi sabi ko, dun, dyan na lang tayo sa gilid-gilid.
Parang,
Kinuha ko siya, hindi ko siya tiningnan yung price, tapos pag-punch, 10,000 pesos.
sa mall ka ba
Bakit
namimili? Sa mall?
Oo. Tapos parang gilid-gilid lang talaga siya. Parang butik-butik.
Dapat yung sa sa Hongdae, maganda mag-shopping.
Yeah. Hongdae shopping. Yeah, we tried also. But that time, it's so cold, so we can't
Ah,
stay outside that much.
lamig, hirap.
Yeah, mga -15. Like, hindi ko na kinakaya talaga.
Hirap pag mahangin pa.
Mm-mm. That's why we go, right? In December, Wanik, it's so cold there. Yeah. So what can you say about your frozen river with a cat walking news? That's Hindi nyo alam yung news? You
Sorry?
you know the news there in Korea, in South Korea, the river is frozen
Uh,
and there's a cat. The Han River is frozen and then there's a cat walking in the frozen.
dangerous.
That's a meme.
Yeah. Cat walking the frozen river.
Yes.
Yeah, challenging. The news. Do you know news? Cat. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is meme content.
Yes, that's it. That's a meme.
Yeah. Right.
Ay,
꽁꽁 얼어붙은
Yeah.
한강 위로.
Yes. That's it.
꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어 다닙니다. That's right.
Yes. Oh, you can be a reporter, huh?
Actually, do you have many meme or challenge in Philippines?
We have Manny Pacquiao.
But
meme?